Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a Thanksgiving ice cream cake. First we're going to make a pumpkin bread as a base for the ice cream cake. Start by whisking 3 eggs in a large mixing bowl. Then add a cup of pumpkin puree. Mix it well with the eggs. Then in a separate large mixing bowl, add 3/4 cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice. And now blend these ingredients well. Then add in the pumpkin puree mix and mix well. What's your favorite dessert for Thanksgiving? Let us know in the comments. Line a pie plate with parchment paper and spread out the pumpkin bread mix. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the bread passes the toothpick test. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes. When done, remove from the oven and set aside to let cool. Take out your ice cream tubs from the freezer and let them thaw a little bit. And start adding your pumpkin pie ice cream into the silicone Bundt pan. Add a layer of ice cream and start patting it down. Make sure you pack it down really well. Then add more layers and pat down until the ice cream tub is empty. Crumble some graham crackers or ginger snaps and spread them out on top of the ice cream. Then add the cookie dough ice cream, same process as before. Scoop out a few scoops of ice cream and continue this until the tub is empty. Now punch a hole in the center of the pumpkin bread. You can use an egg cup or something similar. Place the pumpkin bread on top of the ice cream and cover with foil. Place in the freezer and let it freeze for about 6 hours or preferably overnight. When it's frozen, remove the foil and place it upside down on a cake plate. Carefully remove the Bundt pan by peeling it off the cake. Pour magic shell on top of the cake, cover most of the top surface, and let it harden for a few minutes. Drizzle caramel syrup on top in a crisscross pattern. Then place 8 whipping cream dollops on top. Place a ginger snap half in the whipping cream dollop. And place a pecan nut in front. And lastly, sprinkle some pumpkin pie spice on top. And there it is, a Thanksgiving ice cream cake. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.